How to assemble the Permasteel mini garden bed, model PGB-50003. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by attaching the front and back panels to the X-frame using 4 M6x16mm bolts. Use the included Allen wrench to tighten them. Leave them slightly loose to help with alignment in later steps. Step 2. Attach the outer and inner wall brackets to the front and back panels. Make sure the back panel pokes through and latches into the openings on the brackets to lock everything into place. Step 3. Connect the outer and inner brackets together using 12 M6x16mm bolts and 12 M6x16mm barrel nuts. Use the Allen wrench to tighten them. Once everything is lined up, go back and fully tighten the bolts from step 1. Step 4. Attach the side handles using 8 M6x16mm bolts and 8 M6x16mm barrel nuts. Tighten everything using the Allen wrench. Step 5. Thread the casters into the bottom of the X-frame. There are 2 standard casters on one side and 2 locking casters on the other side. Use the open end wrench to tighten them, then gently twist each one by hand to ensure a snug fit. Step 6. Start by separating the 2 thin rubber gaskets. From the top of the tray, place one rubber gasket over the drain hole and insert the drain valve through it from above. Take the second rubber gasket and place it on top of the threaded base, the bottom half of the valve, and screw this on the drain valve from underneath the tray to secure it. You can also rotate the valve's knob to adjust the direction. This makes draining excess water easier when the fill tube is full. Step 7. Carefully slide the reservoir tray into the garden bed body until the top edges lock into the second groove on the side panels. You should hear a subtle snap when it clicks into place, ensuring it's secure. Step 8. Insert the reservoir top into the tray by pressing both pieces down. Make sure it's flush level and sealed tightly for proper alignment. Step 9. Insert the fill tube and the water level indicator tube into the holes into the reservoir top. Make sure both sides are seated securely so they function correctly. And that's it. Your Permasteel mini garden bed is fully assembled and ready for planting.